Today we're going to play Iceball. Yeah, you know why? Because I simply love Iceball too. Yeah, I don't know why. So let's jump right into it. And make sure you subscribe. Oh my god. I can't talk. Subscribe right now. There he is. Join server. Let's go. Yeah. Oh wait. What am I looking at? I thought this was a camera. Maybe not is. So I asked the mods into Iceball. Yeah. It's kind of be the same thing. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, I added the speed and the thing. Yeah, let me just find a block first.
2 hours later.
I found the block and I can go. Wait. Is it this one? And this? Yeah. I added this thing where you can go up. Yeah, it's easy now. So I didn't have to pick away. I can pick away the trap. Yeah, okay. So let's get back. Okay, we're back. Okay, let's go. Okay, my goal today is to get one. Yeah, I don't know what's it called. What's it called again? Yeah. My goal today is to get in first place. Yeah, 3 of them. So the first trap is basic 24. I don't know what's it called. So let me know in the comments below. So I'm feeling like, I'm dumb. But wait, B, C, 24. Okay, that was quick. That was so quick. With where's the other people? Hello? There's 7 players online. There's someone people here. I don't know. Oh, is there any tissue here? I'll be back.
Cap 700.
Okay, I'm back. So I don't know. Oh, I forgot to buy my AirPods. Okay. So I can hear anything. Okay. Can you guys hear me? Okay. So it started. Don't worry, there's no one here. Okay, not bad. Just wait a second, please.
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's go. There's no one here yet. I asked someone in the bucket. Yeah, the bucket is useless, so I don't have to use my hands. Yeah. No hands. Not bad. Okay. We're going to the light speed. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. I can get good luck with these. Game of cookies? Is that the cookie guy man? I don't know. And yeah, you can turn. Yeah, look at this. 360. Ooh, that was perfect. Okay, I'm going to the light speed. Well, let's go. Why is no one joining? I don't know. Okay, let's go. Wait. Yeah, send me a little bit bad both ways. And I'm bad at turning things. Okay, so let's. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry for the sneeze, ma'am. I'm the sneeze now. Okay, so let's go. Wait, why there's no people? Why there's no new set? Nah, we don't need new set and other players. Okay, when there's other player, we can add some new set. Okay, the same new set. Either when there's people, add some new set. Okay.
100.
Okay, we made it to the first lap. Not bad. The second lap, here we go.
2 hours later.
Oh, also I changed my skin. Yeah, it's not a steel anymore. It's this skin now. So not bad. I can't add this skin because something broken. So I had to download a mod so it can work. So it's I don't know. It's called HD skin. Yeah, I don't know. So let's go.
MRS
Okay,
G28
2
in the
plus
fastest lap of 2.361.
not bad. And let's do some magic. And bam! Okay, we are back and in first place. Yeah, you can see the first place.
120.
Whoa. Sound? Can you shut up? Okay, thank you very much. Is that what? What did they add a new update? What? Why this 4 then? I had no idea. Is that the 5, 4, 3, 2, what? Yeah. Okay. Not bad. Until then. Again. Why looky here? The OBS. Okay. On to the next trap. Okay. The next trap is BAP short. I don't know what it is. Oh, okay. Just quick.
For a race on
Is someone joining?
Join a race on BAP short. 3 laps. This race will start automatically in 45 seconds.
Joining
You are
this
now
8
signed
people
up for the
online,
race.
okay? Where are you? Where's the stat member? Oh my god, where is it? Where's the freaking guy? Where's the freaking player? Oh my god, where's the other one? Okay, it started, so there's no one joining, so we have to do it outside and find there's some people joining. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting 2 hours for that thing. So let's get the news out. Editor, bring the news in. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The news is crazy. Let's crank this up. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay, nice. Okay, don't feel the joke. I'm not the editor. Yeah, I'm the editor. Please, just stop complaining, okay, for the comments. Okay, let's just play the game and add some music. Please turn them around. I hate this Pokemon. I don't know why. So, wait, I like it. Why is this game so bad? I don't know. Okay, turn. It made me 10 times better. I don't know. Stop. Give me freaking ice. The snow power. Okay, that's so annoying.
59.8.
Okay, let's go. Turn. Not bad. Okay. Not bad. Okay, nice. Okay. Come on. Nice. Okay. Turn. Okay. Turn. Nice. But why you keep saying that, okay? Why could I keep saying that? Just stop keep saying that. Just play the game, okay? Just watch the gameplay!
The Argo.
Okay, we are here.
120.
Oh my god.
5/120.
Stop crashing.
G28.
Stop crashing, okay? Stop crashing.
0.010.
Nice.
Stuff iceberg.
Okay.
6/120.
So we have to win this. So let's go. Okay, we are here. We're gonna win this. VCC. Nice.
1 hour. 10 minutes.
Oh, it's right
and
here.
34
Okay, can we
seconds.
go out now?
The first
Oh,
driver has
okay.
finished. This
Oh, there's
race
some-
will end in
I like this
120
one.
seconds.
It's a barrier.
G28
Now we can't go anywhere now.
22 minutes.
But you such a
and 79 seconds.
nutcracker.
Results
Bruh.
for F1. 1 MRS G28.
Okay, did someone say?
Pladritos
Okay, what's it say?
Pladritos
Hell nah. What is this new track? I saw this way already here. It's already here. Is speak is what?
Pladritos.
What happened? Okay, so just see in the
Strux
comments
of
bar. It was so close. It was close.
Struxel, and that counts
okay,
as
I
a
know
new
that.
track.
So has to open it again. Oh, and I did that cause that's cause as a new track. Yeah, that's a new track. Yes.
DR Gunot
Oh my gosh.
6,000,007 Kuman.
Okay, stop reading that thing. So just pick a new track. What should we pick? Just choose 7. Okay, that's good.
G28 and just
Please.
voted for a race on 100.
Is someone joining? Please someone join. So you can ask some music.
2 hours later.
I think I'll try again.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, I hate that. Just to the next trap. Okay, the next side is Coyote Crush. Okay.
MRS
Okay, that was
G28
great.
and just voted
Okay.
for a race on Canyon
So
Cruise.
let's just join. Come in.
Canyon.
Oh,
This
there's some
race
people
will
here.
start automatically
Thailand.
in 45
Messi.
seconds. You are now signed up for
Bruh.
the race.
Why I keep seeing the OBS? But I have a freaking iPad here to start another monitor. Yeah, that's a monitor. I'm using Crazy.tv now. Yes. So I can't talk. Okay, so
Plus,
there's no one joining, but who cares?
Slash 120. Due to
Uh,
1GH. 11
come on.
120. Are you?
Did someone
to leave the
join?
race? Use race leave.
I know this is spinning around. No news again. What is going on? Add the news editor. Wait, stop. Hey, get over here. You get back here. You get back here, you suckers. You suckers. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I have Ma here, okay? I have Ma, so I can get better. But I'm lagging so much. I don't know why. What happened to my FPS? What? Oh, 12 FPS? What is going on? Then I just dropped so much. I don't know. Because it's my world. I don't know.
MRS G28. A new fastest lap of 39.677.
Oh my god, I'm lagging. 80 FPS. Okay, wait, there's a shortcut. Come on, give me the shortcut, ma'am. Yeah, the shortcut in back. So let's go to the shortcut. Let's go to the shortcut. Let's go. Yeah, just
GM
stop.
permissions.
Okay, then.
Permission denied.
Permission denied? What is what you talking about? It's lava? Okay, just focus on the waves, okay? That's a news ad. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So shut up, man. Shut it up. Just keep playing. Yeah, just shut down the news ad.
Plus,
No, do not shut down the news ad.
12/120.
Okay, I'm finished.
81
One more, and we done. And I'm gonna end this video here. Yeah, I've been recording like 22 minutes. Yeah, that is long. Okay, so let's go. Oh, TNT! I want that TNT. Yo, okay, give me all these traps, man. So let's go. Okay, this dude is cramping up, man. Okay, nice. Benton. Can we go to the shortcut? Come on.
Matt Stilak. 11 slow.
Okay, let's go to the pit stop. Oh, pit stop. Cool, man. Okay, it's kind of easy.
You finished
Let's
lap.
go. I finished. Three, okay? So that's it for today. I'll make more videos. I'll see you guys then. Peace. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm editing a lot here on this video. So give me a lot of subscribers and peace.